I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Kali Forms. Copy the webhook URL and fetch it. Now go to the Kali Forms dashboard and edit the form. Go to the setting and click on Webhook. Give here a name. Create. Paste the webhook URL in the payload URL. Map the respective fields. Save. Test. Test done. Now go to Bid Integrations dashboard, and here you can see the data is fetched successfully. Set actions. Search and select an action newsletter. Connect to newsletter. Successfully connected to the newsletter. Next. Now map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action and conditional logic you can use for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to the newsletter dashboard and navigate to the subscribers. Here, you can see that the data was successfully received in the newsletter. Thanks for watching.